Looking to upgrade your Volvo's sound system without the hassle? The vehicle antenna adapter cable for select 1999 and newer Volvo models makes the switch to an aftermarket radio effortless. It connects your factory antenna to your new radio with ease, ensuring you don't lose signal quality or have to modify your vehicle's wiring. When I swapped out my old radio for a sleek touchscreen model, I ran into the familiar problem. Volvo's unique antenna jack didn't fit the new setup. That's when this adapter came in handy. It's an OEM-style cable, designed specifically for Volvo's special antenna connection, and it's just the right length at 7 inches. No guesswork, no cutting wires, just plug and play. The result? Clear reception and a clean install that looks factory fresh. If you're upgrading your Volvo's radio, this adapter is worth a look. It bridges the gap between your vehicle's original antenna and any aftermarket radio, saving you time and frustration. Try it when you're ready to enjoy your new sound system without any signal dropouts or complicated installations.